Hi, this is the level 248 of Blossom Blast Saga. The goal is to remove 19 weeds in 19 moves. So we don't have too many moves, and most of the weeds are covered with glass panes, and there are the big size weeds which take 3 or more moves to eradicate completely. So what I'm going to do here is try to blossom only the flowers that are touching at least 2 weeds at any point in time. So with less number of moves I can take away more weeds, number one. And number two, I'm going to try to have the mega bloom somewhere at least once or twice in this entire video. So let's get started with the gameplay. Alright, so just corner move, and now I think I would take out, yeah, again, having the leaves, the lotus pads, the lily leaves, lily pads doesn't quite help because you can just use them once every 3 moves that you make, and you want to try to use them less, but not use them entirely because they are like kind of very useful. Like now I'll be doing the pink flowers because that takes away two blossoms itself. And yeah, just see me play. If there's any tip, I'll just let you know. What I did there was try to break the pane, as well as the window pane, the glass pane, as well as try to take away some of the weeds. So now I have the purple flower sitting right in between, and well, I can't quite help what the bees do. I can just sit and hope that the bees don't come and sit on the main flowers that I want to burst and take away the weeds. So yeah, like you may know, the weeds will only go away if I just bloom a flower right next to it. So there, so all the glass panes of the main area of my gameplay are gone. Now we have the most difficult part of the gameplay, which is the bottom side, because there are the lily pads. I have 7 moves and 8 weeds to go, and I will try to I'll try to use the sunflowers on the top to make one of the mega blooms and try to burst everything away. So let's see if I can do that. Looks like not, but well, yeah, there's this sunflower which takes away 3 weeds, so that's good. It didn't take away 3 weeds, but it reduced their power. Okay, I'll have to give up on the sunflower mega blossom dream, but let's see if I can do something else. um, uh, 4 moves and 5 weeds with 3 of them covered in paints. It does look a little difficult right now, but I see that I have a few roses coming down, and yeah, it looks like I'll be able to move these roses into the lily pad right in center of the tree, into that cup that's kind of created by the weeds. And if I could, I'll try to make a mega bloom over there. Yeah, I'm increasing the value of each of these flowers now. So when I finally make a bloom, it's just one of the big blooms that I have. Oops. No, it looks like I have a few less. But I have just one move and this should do it. Yes. So there, that's your level complete without using any boosters. Alrighty guys, enjoy playing.